Welcome the our channel. Today we how to deploy a credit card with Arvest Bank, full guide step by step clearly. To deploy a credit card with Arvest Bank, start by visiting the official Arvest Bank website. Navigate to the credit card section found in the banking products area. Review the various credit card options available to determine which one suits your needs best. Once you've chosen a card, click on the Apply Now button associated with that card. You will be directed to an online application form. Fill out the application with your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Provide your financial details, such as your income and employment status. Confirm that all the information entered is accurate before proceeding. Submit the application by clicking the designated button at the bottom of the form. After submitting, you may receive an instant decision, or you may have to wait for further review from Arvest Bank. If approved, you will receive a notification via email or mail. Follow any instructions included in the approval notification to activate your new credit card. Once your card arrives, sign it immediately to protect against unauthorized use. Set up online banking through the Arvest website or mobile app for easy account management. Monitor your account regularly to keep track of your spending and payments. Consider setting up automatic payments to ensure timely payment and avoid late fees. For any questions or support, contact Arvest Bank customer service through their website or phone line. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.